what does everybody think? Anahita Sedaghatfar, we got to mention, she's not charged with anything, not called a suspect. Do you think that she is a co-conspirator and that she wants to visit her husband to, you know, be a co-conspirator? That's what they do. They communicate with each other.
No, Jane.
No?
I don't think so. I think she's standing by her man because she doesn't believe that he intentionally killed their son. And really, it's easy for everyone to kind of sit back all of a sudden and be some psychiatrist or body language expert and convict this woman because she didn't show enough emotion, Jane. She didn't cry. She was chewing gum during the hearing. They were literally tearing apart every word that she said at the eulogy of her son. I mean, you can't do that because we all know people grieve differently. What's
by the way,
normal? How does a mother grieve
this
when
is
she loses
NBC
her
News
son?
video right here. I want to make an important point to mention that they got this video. Dr. Jeff Gard,
that she should be appropriately.
Well, how should she be grieving, though? That's the question. How should a mother
She should
who
be
loses
talking
a
about
child
her
be
little
grieving?
boy. Should be.
First of all,
Why is she
even visiting this individual?
In a car?
Order in the
This man
non-court. I
just
want to go to
killed
the
her.
real world. Are you kidding me? Are you?
Probably happened to her.
That's
Jane,
only what she was saying at the eulogy, Jane. You don't know what she's saying and feeling and doing in private. And I really take issue with the fact that everyone's sitting on this panel saying this is how a grieving mother should act. Says who? Where is any evidence?
Grieving mothers everywhere.
Okay, wait, guys, one at a time.
It was
Here.
a rationalization.
On so many levels.
Jane, can I address the eulogy?
Yes. You and my family. So, into the lines then, Anahita Sedaghatfar. The police say the boyfriend's cooperating. Angie's parents found a secret cell phone in their daughter's room they knew nothing about. What are you seeing here?
I just think something's not adding up, Jane. You mentioned that this girl went to her teachers about a month ago and said, look, I'm in trouble. You know, I can't get out of this. Yet, wasn't there any follow-up? Did the school not call the parents? Did they not call the police? And then you have these journal entries where she says, whoever's reading this, I'm probably kidnapped or I've been killed. But she mentioned no names. She was really vague about it. So I think it's a little bit perplexing. I'm not so sure that this wasn't just her running away, perhaps. I'm not sure that this was her being kidnapped and in some sex trade situation, at least not based on these facts. It just doesn't add up to me.
Well, Casey Jordan,
Jane.
you're a criminal. Anahita Sedaghatfar, criminal defense attorney.
Yeah, Jane, this is just outrageous. And any way you look at it, this is excessive force because police officers can only use as much force that's necessary to restrain the individual. He has her pinned down on the floor and she's not attacking him. She doesn't have a weapon and he continues to just beat her and punch her. That's police brutality. That is a civil rights violation and it's unacceptable.
Well, we're going to go to the attorney now. I have to jump in very quickly. Anahita Sedaghatfar, do you think this guy should be charged, this officer should be charged with assault?
I wouldn't be surprised if he is, Jane. I think he should be. It doesn't really matter what happened before the tape started rolling here, because I get this is out of context, but once that woman was pinned down, she was no longer a threat, even if she was beforehand. And when he continued to beat on her, that is assault. And I absolutely think he should be terminated immediately. There is no way the department can justify this type of behavior. That's not protocol.
On the other side, the